Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing, startup crashes, freezing, black screen issues, and crash-to-desktop problems on PC. These solutions work for both Steam and Xbox Gamepass Microsoft Store versions of the game. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, click on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Now locate MSI Afterburner. Right-click MSI Afterburner and select Close. Now right-click Riva Tuner and select Close as well. Once both applications are closed, launch Forza Horizon 6 again. Solution 2. If you use Steam, open it. Go to your library, right-click Forza Horizon 6, go to Manage and select Browse Local Files. Now locate Forza Horizon 6.exe. Right-click the exe file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable. Run this program as administrator. Also enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Now click Apply and then click OK. Launch the game again. Solution 3. Verify game files. Steam version. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Forza Horizon 6 and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game. If you use the Xbox app or Game Pass version, open the Xbox app. Go to your library. Select Forza Horizon 6. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Verify and Repair. Press Yes and wait for the repair process to complete. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. If a new driver is available, click Install. Wait for the drivers to finish updating. Solution 5. Disable Citrix App Protection Service. If you use Citrix, this may cause crashes or black screen issues. Open the Start menu and type Services. Open the Services app. Now locate App Protection Service. Double-click it. First click on Stop. Now change the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply and then click OK. Now launch the game again. Final step. After trying all these methods, launch Forza Horizon 6 and check if the crashing or freezing issue is fixed. Forza Horizon 6 should now launch and run properly without crashing, freezing, or showing a black screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.